Plastic headlights soon lose clarity as they are subject to oxidation, heat from the bulbs, UV rays from the sun, and constant abrasion from road debris. Looks bad and affects the light output, and can be an MOT failure. New headlights are expensive, so trust Gunson to come up with a solution. It's fast and easy with this new headlight scratch repair kit. Everything is supplied, no power tools are required, and you will have sparkling headlight lenses in minutes. After cleaning off the headlight, the superfine abrasive pad is mounted to the foam applicator base. Spray on some clean water to lubricate, and steadily rub over the area to be repaired. Keep rubbing until all scratches and scuffing have been removed. Then clean off with a soft cloth. The polishing is a two-stage process. First, we fit the wool polishing pad onto the applicator. Then squeeze a small amount of the Part 1 diamond compound from the grey container onto the applicator. Polish vigorously until the affected area is clear again. And again clean off with a soft cloth. For the second polishing stage, we use the foam polishing pad and apply a small amount of the Part 2 diamond compound from the yellow container. This stage restores the optical clarity, so keep polishing until there is no remaining scratches or cloudiness, and the area is bright and transparent. A final polish off with a soft cloth, then step back and admire your sparkling headlights.